Well, purified cold water is a real good choice. I like mine with a slice of lemon in it. And the colder the water is, the more calories you'll burn. So go ahead and drink up. Hi there, Frank George here with my brand new TOKIT Digital Akuapure T1 Ultra Water Purification Solution. It has an advanced multi-stage RO filtration system, and the dual UV sterilization effectively removes 99.99% of bacteria, deeply filtering antibiotics, heavy metals, bacteria, scale, organic matter, and other harmful substances. There's also an internal carbon rod that's added to the reverse osmosis process, and that helps improve the overall taste too. It's absolutely delicious. And this unit is really versatile. It offers multi-temperature water options too. It goes all the way from 41 degrees for refreshing cold water to 210 degrees Fahrenheit or 5 degrees Celsius to 99 degrees Celsius. It produces absolutely great ice cold water in record-breaking time, and it has a refrigerator-grade compressor. You'll always have access to a real cold, refreshing drink. The pure water tank holds 1.2 liters or 6 to 8 glasses, so you'll never run out of pure drinking water ever again. You put tap water into the tank and it gets purified. I enjoy piping hot beverages too in just 3 seconds, like morning coffee and evening tea. I love the taste of coffee that this machine delivers. It's going to drip through. Now that's a good cup of coffee. And there are separate water pathways, one for cold water and one for hot, so you never have to worry about cross-contamination. And this unit is real easy to set up. No installation needed. It's self-contained and it's completely portable. You can take it anywhere, anytime. You know, most people don't drink enough water, unfortunately. Let's be honest. And staying hydrated is vital for our health, absolutely. It supports all your bodily functions for good digestion and metabolism, for keeping all your internal organs and tissues healthy. Water can aid in digestion too, including flushing out waste and toxins and preventing constipation. And it's great for rehydration after a workout too. One feature I really love is this LED display. Real-time display of TDS, or total dissolved solids. You can see the water that I put in was 106, and the purified water is 3 TDS. And now with great filtered, purified water, you don't have to worry anymore about those nasty things like sodium, magnesium, fluoride, chloride, nitrates, potassium, manganese, iron, nickel, calcium, chromium, copper, zinc, arsenic, cadmium, and other sulfates. And this unit is also self-cleaning automatically. When you get yours, here's how you unbox it and set it up. It's quick and simple. This is the holding tank with tap water that you fill up with to the designated line, and then wastewater automatically goes in here. Nice and easy to fill up at the sink, or if you choose, you can pour water in, and then it has a convenient top. By hitting the volume button here, you can choose from 4 ounces to 8 ounces to 17 ounces to maximum. The little symbol over here is flashing, telling you or me that the water's being chilled. The water that I put into the holding tank from my spigot is 106 source TDS, which stands for total dissolved solids. And you can tell that the water has been purified because now it's pure TDS level 8. So we've gone from 106 to 8. And of course, the true test is going to be the taste. Wow, that tastes really good. The heating element inside offers a remarkable 1600 watts for 6 precise hot different temperatures, from 140 to 210 degrees Fahrenheit, to enjoy piping hot beverages in just 3 seconds. So get yours today and enjoy ice cold or great heated drinks with great purified water from TOKIT.